ax square plus bx plus c equivalent to 0. It is a quadratic expression equation. Cat replica question. 1 root is 2 plus root 3. 1 root is 2 plus root 3. Find the quadratic equation. Find the quadratic equation. Options I will give. A cat replica question. Cat replica question. We'll start with a conceptual question. First one, x square minus 4x plus 1 equivalent to 0. Second one, x square minus 4x plus 2 equivalent to 0. Third one, x square minus 4x plus 7 equivalent to 0. Fourth one, cannot be determined. Ax square plus bx plus 0, 1 root is 2 plus root 3. Find the quadratic equation. Right? So many students will tick mark the answer to be x square minus 4x plus 1 equivalent to 0. It is because of lack of conceptual clarity. They are not good in concepts. They just mug up the concepts. They are the students who love to memorize. They lack the conceptual clarity. Right? So what they will do is, if 1 root is, directly they will write, they got bad teachers in their subject, in their school or in plus 1 and plus 2. If 1 root is p plus root q, other root, directly they will write it as p minus root q, and they will use this equation as x square minus of alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta equivalent to 0. So it is x square minus 2 plus root 3 plus 2 minus root 3 into x plus 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3 equivalent to 0. So they will tick mark the answer to be x square minus 4x plus 1 equivalent to 0, which is a mistake. They are doing it because they do not know the exact concept. Please write down the concept. Concept is ax square plus bx plus c equivalent to 0 only when a, b, c are rational. Only when a, b, c are rational. 1 root is p plus root q. 1 root is p plus root q. Another root will become p minus root q. Only if 1 root is p plus root q, another root will become p minus root q. This is only possible when a, b, c are rational. It is only possible only when a, b, c are rational. Nothing is specified about the question. If nothing is specified about the question, a, b, c will be real numbers. If a, b, c are real numbers, it can be an rational number, or it can be an irrational number. Rational number or irrational number. So answer for this question is cannot be determined uniquely. Please write down, sir. Very easy question, but because students are not at all good in concepts, or they just memorize and got good marks, it is a mistake which you do only because of lack of conceptual clarity. Lack of conceptual clarity. Remember, only if A, B, C are rational, if 1 root is p plus root q, other root will become p minus root q. Only when 1 root is p plus root q, another root will become p minus root q. It is only possible. It is only possible when A, B, C are rational. Only when possible when A, B, C are rational. Please put a star mark on this. So answer for this question is cannot be determined uniquely. If 1 root is 2 plus root 3, another root could be minus 2 plus root 3 or 2 minus root 3. You will get 2 values. So answer is cannot be determined uniquely. Question number 13. I hope it is clear. Very, very important question. Question number 14.